Hey Crazy Cuties, welcome back to another makeup therapy session where I just play with makeup and talk about what's going through my mind. Yeah, before we get started, make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content. Also, will be part of the Crazy Cuties clan. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and of course, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. Okay, it's been a while that I did a makeup therapy video. It's been a while. It's been something, right? It's been something. So I'm trying to get my eyebrows look the same because my brain does not want to work properly. Never has, never will. It is what it is. But as you can see, I kind of reorganized some stuff. I reorganized. It was time to reorganize some stuff because, you know, I had a comment sometime ago, but it was just a rude freaking comment. And I always sanitize my stuff, so if anybody complains about anything, don't worry, I always clean and sanitize things. So I am playing the Beaute Oceanic palette. I am playing Moira, the single, a Starshow shadow pot, and Shook, which is this color right here. Truthfully, don't be rude to this person or be disrespectful. If you want to say what's on your mind, you can, but do it respectfully. Everybody's information. I'm fine. I'm good. I just didn't. And also work. Oh my goodness, work has been crazy. It's been good work actually, especially a lot of things coming at work, new products coming in, products coming back. Interesting enough, I'm really excited about a few products that I definitely need to get at my job because we get like products to it's like PR. I've talked about it. It's like PR and everything else, technically, but also we pick what we want to, what we like, and everything else, and also new products. Sometimes we get that, but I'm also like it gets me where I want to buy more products because I like my collection that I am currently growing right now. I'm also doing 2 videos today, so I have my Ipsy and then I have Ice Cream Beauty Box. My beauty bag, I should say, because I don't get the box, even though I should get the box. I have to get, like, should I? Truthfully, I should not get more makeup products, okay? I should not get more eyeshadow palettes, but I'm a collector, so that's why I love doing subscriptions. Because you save money. Technically, you're saving money. Like, I cannot get away from blues. Apparently, I love blues really much, so I was wondering if you want me to do, like, packaging products, like match the products, like different ones, like make a look at it, like whatever. I was thinking of doing that. So I'm going to use this other blue shade just to darken this up. I am going with this one, even though this is what it looks like, but that'd be cool to do. What do you think? This will be nice. Now, I am going to get more of these because I really, really do like these. Because I do have another one, you know. But look at that. I mean, oh my goodness, is this pretty or what? Like, you don't need primer or like glitter glue. That's why I'm not afraid to put this a little bit more into the inner corner because more out here at the outer V because of that. I'm actually just gonna put this even more into the inner corner. I mean, I love how this is coming about. But I really like how this is coming out. Like, I don't want to mess it up. Like, oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Oh, come on. Okay. I really like these liners. It's the Perfect Precision eyeliners. This one's called Tropical. I really do like this one. So what I'm going to do is just do this so I can see what I'm doing. That really is nice. I like this eyeliner. They also have the bigger size, which I do like. I do have like another eyeliners, which I do like too, but I really like how this is coming out really much. So I'm also going to use my favorite mascara. I'm going to use this because I love this mascara. Like I said, I really do like this. So now, True Truth. I actually want to use a makeup wipe just to clean the edges some. Not gonna be the same. I'm gonna tell you, my OCD is just driving me nuts a little bit because in my head it has to be the same. It's just because my OCD, and it's just one of my things. I'm so weird when it comes to a lot of stuff anyway, and it's just like, yeah, this stuff highly recommend. The e.l.f. liquid putty. I love this stuff. I actually found something might be a little similar to this. I'm gonna, after I use this up. This stuff is really nice. I like liquid poreless primers anyway. I am actually using this one. Like, I love this foundation. Matches. I mean, Revolution does an amazing job of like color matching your skin very well. Like, there's other brands who does an amazing job that I want to try. I want to try Fenty. Like, I do want to try Fenty. I do want to try out like other foundations because, you know, sometimes sticking to one product, you know, one brand constantly, I don't know. But yet again, why fix it when it's not broken? Why change it if it's not broken, you know? You know that saying? It's already working for me. Why change it? And that's what I feel about it. Like, especially with this foundation from Revolution. There's so many makeup products are coming out. New, you know, different brands or new brands are coming out this year, which I'm really excited for, that I do want to try. I don't know yet. There's so many products coming out. So, like, it matches my skin tone really nicely. Now I'm going to use powder to brighten that up anyway. I feel like I should went with a little lighter just to brighten this up a little bit. But like I said before, I am going to use a brightening. I am going to use the Pro Setting from LA Girl Pro Setting Brightening Powder, and this was blue. So I do like it. Like, I kind of, when it comes to my setting powders, I do use the translucent powder, luxury powder one from. I do use the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder and Ghost. This one really this one will brighten your makeup really quickly. And I only use this on the points of my face that I want that brightness. I do like this powder if you want a blue base, if you want to cancel out the yellow. And that's what I'm going to use this one for. It's just to cancel out the yellow just a little bit because that concealer does have a little bit of a yellow undertone to it. It's still going to brighten up that yellow, brighten up that under eye just a little bit. That's what I kind of do, even though it does an amazing job. As you can see, it does a great job. My makeup does last a really long time when I use certain products and I know certain products would work. Now I'm going to use the Cooling Loose Powder Setting Powder from WetnWild. I do like this. It does, it gives up the face a nice set. The face part that I haven't really set. It gives you a nice like blurring effect. It does give you that. I feel like this powder along with the foundation and the primer, works really good. Like, you don't see anything wrong with the face. It's like, where's your pores? Where's your pores? Like, they're there. It's just that it's nice and blur, which I do like, because I do have acne. I do have acne scars on my face. Whatever the case, maybe I'm going to use some contour to add color to back to the face just a little bit. A lot of people add a little contour. Put a little bit on my hollow on my cheeks, and there you go. I really like this powder from Revolution. It's the contour palette from Revolution. As you can see, I hit pan, which is, I am definitely going to use more of these. You can bronze them, you can do whatever. And these right here, these two right here are highlighters, and the rest are like setting, like contour pattern and brightness to the eyes, which I am going to be using. But yeah, I just feel like, I don't know, there's so many new brands with new products like I want to try, because I want to go for cruelty-free products, and I see a lot of nice things coming out with certain brands, and certain brands are just like, are awesome with the products. I just wish I can, you know, try them out, but they're not cruelty-free, so I'm not gonna get them. But it is what it is. That's a but. It is what it is. I've been pairing up a lot of especially with the new lip liners. I've been pairing this up with the Medusa's Sugar Daddy lipstick, which I do like. So I've been pairing this up with any lip liners. But yeah, I highly recommend the Italia Deluxe lip liners, and I do recommend the Medusa's makeup lipsticks. They're nice, and this is like a satin finish, not matte. So if anybody wants to know what this product is, this is the No Filter setting mist from Colourpop. The thing does, the spray does not work, so I have to use this. But you really want to really shake this up. Dennis, I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. While that sits for a minute, I really like how this makeup came out. This is like give you a nice like glow to the skin with that setting spray. This is it. So that setting spray gave me a nice little glow, which I do not mind. It gives back a little bit back life to the face other than flat matte. I really do like how this look came out. I really need to get some more Starshow shadow pots. These are really nice. You do not need to set them, like, don't need a primer, which I do like. I like pressed pigments like that where you don't have to set, but I really do highly recommend these, so I'm definitely going to get more. But yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye!